Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So now today we have a very special guest, like very close to my heart. I learned a lot from this sir. So none other than our HOD at our time, but now he's leading the principal role at Seagar Institute of Technology, Lonavala. So hello sir, how are you sir?
Yes, I'm fine, Akshay.
Very first, thank you so much, sir, for accepting the invitation and giving us your very busy scheduled precious time. I would try to keep this as much as short and precise with respect to knowledge sharing. First, before getting started, I have to give few keynote about sir. So sir is very supportive and coordinate at our time, and he's expert in the DS and OOPS. So whatever the data structure concept, I learned more about the programming and the teaching style you see in my YouTube videos which I taught. So I learned that most of the thing from this sir only. So again, thank you so much, sir. Now, sir, would you please like to give your short intro about yourself, what you are doing, and
Yeah,
how
yeah,
you
sure, sure.
started
Yeah,
your journey, sir?
yeah,
Yes,
my
please, sir.
friend. Okay, so to start on, first of all, I feel very happy and emotional to sit with my own student and alumni today. For a teacher,
Yeah.
the biggest
Mm.
achievement is not awards, position, or designation. It is when
Okay.
students come back, remember you, and they want
Yeah.
to listen to your thoughts. That is the real
Yes, sir.
success of a teacher. That is what I feel.
Thank you
So
so much, sir.
today, I will not be speaking as a principal or HOD. So I'll
Mhm.
be speaking as a teacher who has spent more than 20 years inside classrooms, labs, meetings,
Amazing.
doing result analysis, involved in
Mm.
admission process, parent
Mhm.
discussions, and student struggles.
Right.
As Akshay said, I'll start with my journey.
Yes, sir.
I started my career as a lecturer in 2002. At that time,
Okay.
I only knew one thing. That
Huh.
is, as per the syllabus, just complete the syllabus and finish the lecture. Slowly, I realized teaching is not
Hmm.
completing chapters. Teaching is
Hmm.
building confidence in a student who thinks
Hmm.
he or she is weak.
Hmm.
Then I was promoted for senior lecturer. Then I became
Mhm.
assistant professor. Then I
Mhm.
became associate professor. Then I was
Hmm.
the head of computer engineering department. Then I was
Amazing,
promoted
sir.
to vice principal, and now currently I am the principal of Srinagar Institute of Technology, Lonavala. With
Amazing.
every
Amazing, sir.
promotion, I understood
Mhm.
important thing. That
Uh-huh.
is, a teacher teaches subjects, a
Hmm.
professor builds understanding, a
Hmm.
HOD builds department, a
Wow.
principal builds the ecosystem. Right? So I have seen,
Great, sir. Great.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I have seen thousands of students, toppers, average students, failures, repeaters,
Hmm.
brilliant programmers, and also students who are afraid to
Hmm.
even switch on a computer. But
Hmm.
later they have become successful software engineers. That
Yeah.
transformation is what keeps me in education. Akshay,
Hmm. Yeah.
when we had interacted prior, you had said that
Right.
there is a gap between education and industry.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct, sir. Correct. Correct.
So let us talk honestly about this.
Yes.
If you say students always keep on asking one question, that why
Hmm.
college does not match the industry, why there is a gap between
Right.
education and
Right. Right.
industry.
Right.
So
Correct, sir.
industries, from industry point of view, what industry
Hmm.
convey to us is that students are not job ready.
Correct.
And
True.
college, they just ask or just replies or says that we follow the
Hmm.
university curriculum which we have, it has been faced. So,
True,
but
sir.
the real problem is the speed, what I feel,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
because in industry, technology
Hmm.
changes for every 6 months or rapidly. Yeah.
True. True. So true.
But if
Yeah.
you talk about the university curriculum, it changes every
Hmm.
5 years.
Right.
So students, they study for exam,
Hmm.
but job requires problem solving, which I
Problem
always
solving.
keep on telling during your sessions also,
Right.
if you could
Right. Right.
recall. Okay.
I recall, sir.
So the
Yes, sir.
gap is not, yeah, the gap is not the knowledge gap.
Hmm.
It is the thinking gap. How students
Hmm.
are thinking, in what
Hmm.
sense
Hmm. Hmm.
they are involved
Hmm.
in their learning process. Right?
Right.
So
Right.
students learn, answer, industry, ask different questions.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Right.
if we say
Yeah.
that our challenge in front of all of us is how to reduce the this education and industry gap. Okay,
Hmm.
because as I said, that
Hmm.
curriculum changes every 5 years.
True.
We cannot keep or we cannot wait for syllabus change,
Okay.
right? We
True,
cannot
sir.
wait for
Right.
syllabus change. So what every institute must do is they
Hmm.
need
Hmm.
to create some parallel learning in the form of mini projects,
Right.
which can be incorporated from the first year itself.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Then students, what they do is, if they keep a habit of reading documentation instead of notes,
Hmm.
because
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
we have on internet we get n number of technical documents, right?
True.
Which if the students start reading those, so definitely
Hmm.
they will get a very good insight. That is what I
Hmm.
feel. Okay.
Yeah.
Then next thing is they should be involved in debugging more than coding.
Ah. Right, sir. Very true. Very true.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is what I feel, because
Hmm.
they
Hmm.
don't have this habit. Okay.
Yeah.
And they more on less every student they give more stress to a programming language and coding.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
That is what I feel. Okay. That creates a
Right,
very
sir.
good impact as such.
True.
Then we can say that learning how to learn, that
Hmm.
is also one
How to
uh,
learn?
there.
Wow. Interesting. Yeah.
That is also one important aspect. Okay. So student who
Yeah.
knows how to learn will never become outdated.
Hmm. They'll always be up to date. They know how to learn it. They'll always grab
Yeah.
new skill day by day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Right. Right.
And because we also shared about the AI tools and the use of ChatGPT nowadays, which
Hmm.
students are involved. So now
Okay.
we are facing a new challenge in front of us.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
So this AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot,
Mm-hmm.
or actually
Yeah.
many there are many AI tools.
Right.
So students, what they do is they use this and they
Hmm.
generate their assignments, codes,
Right.
reports, even
Right.
project documents. They are generating it in seconds.
Correct.
Mm. So the problem with teachers know all these things. They are worried about
Hmm.
the student, but they can't
Hmm.
help because they have to follow the university deadlines and all those things. Okay,
Right.
so they accepted all these things. Mm. But I
Okay.
believe, truly, from my point of view, what I believe
Uh-huh.
is AI is not a problem actually.
Okay.
Dependency is the problem. Am I
Dependency
right?
on the AI is the problem. So
Is,
true, sir. AI,
is
if you
the
use
problem.
AI in a proper way, it can be your one right hand, right? So which
Right.
is writing fast, that can
Yeah.
be act as a AI. Or
Yeah.
you can say your left hand is a AI, which is you're actually physically not able to do much, but that AI can do a lot more than that. So well said, sir. Yep.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So earlier, what students were doing is they were copying from guidebooks,
Hmm.
and now they are copying from the AI.
GPT. Yeah. Correct.
The only change that has happened is copying medium has been changed. Learning habits did not change.
Change learning habits. Yeah.
Right. So
Right. Yeah.
if student uses AI
Hmm.
to avoid thinking,
Hmm.
knowledge will decrease.
Okay.
Right.
Right,
And if
sir.
a student uses AI to explore ideas,
Hmm.
intelligence is going to increase.
Intelligence is going to increase. True.
So the main question is not how to stop AI, but the
Mm-hmm.
real question is how to redesign education
How to
so AI
redesign education.
cannot
Ah,
replace thinking.
correct. So true,
Okay.
sir.
So that is what is a challenge
Mm-hmm.
what we can face. Right? And
Yeah.
how to handle this AI
Hmm.
in our education sector. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what we can do is we can change our evaluation system.
Hmm.
That is what we can have. During I am also a part of the Savitribai Phule Pune University. I'm the part of
Huh.
Board of Study Computer. I'm a
Right.
member of that.
Right,
So
sir.
this university deciding the university curriculum and everything we plan.
Hmm,
Okay.
hmm, hmm,
So
hmm, hmm.
there also we have a proper discussion, and
Huh.
all these things which we had discussed, we
Hmm.
have a thought process in our mind, and accordingly we try to make the
Huh.
changes with the constraints that we have. Okay.
Right. Huh.
So in our evaluation system,
Hmm.
we can have Viva based evaluation, which
Viva
we have
based.
for some practical sort of thing.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Then we should have whiteboard problem solving sessions.
Ah, very good, sir. Interesting. Whiteboard for
Right.
problem solving. Like you have to explain it by yourself, not just typing the code.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the way, actually, if you could remember the way we used to do, I
Yeah.
used to just ask you people a problem, and I used to ask the student that, okay, in this
Yeah.
scenario, if you got stuck up, what you will do?
Correct, sir.
So that type of thing we can
Hmm.
explain.
Right.
Then we should have lab performances instead of record books or practical books, what we can say.
Right.
We can focus on real time coding,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
okay,
Right.
explain your code sessions,
Right.
open internet,
Huh.
but closed mind exams.
Open internet, close mind exam.
Mind exam.
Okay.
In your
So,
mind, you should not have that fear of
huh.
exam.
Exam. Right. Right.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
So I will keep everything open.
Huh.
Hmm?
Everything
What
open, but perfect, sir.
student can use it. Hmm?
Hmm.
Right.
Right.
So if a student understands, AI
Huh.
becomes an assistant.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
Okay. It will
Right.
help you a lot.
Right.
Right?
So true.
And
Correct.
if the student memorizes, AI
Hmm.
becomes replacement.
Hmm.
Okay?
True.
So accordingly, students should have this understanding thing.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So true, sir. You
Now,
you meant
oh, yeah. Now
yeah,
we
yeah, yeah.
always tell that now every student should have in their mind, they should be creative, they should be innovative.
Hmm.
So this innovation or creativity does not come from lectures.
No.
It comes from confusion.
Oh, if you are confused, then you'll think what to do next.
What to do next? Right?
Yes. If you stuck somewhere, then you'll think how
Yeah.
to solve this. Right.
Yeah.
Correct,
So
sir.
give students problems without
Hmm.
steps.
Okay.
Allow them to make
Yeah.
mistake.
Hmm.
Okay? If you can recall, I used
Hmm.
to always tell you, right?
Yeah, sir.
Give wrong
Correct.
answers.
Yeah.
At least the
But
student will
give some.
understand what mistake they have done.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Even so many times we have given
So
so
allow
stupid
them to
answers,
make.
but then you have corrected it. Not like this. You have to go this way.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Remove the fear of marks.
Hmm. Very important.
Okay. And because this problem is a big obstacle for your creative mind.
Hmm, hmm,
What
hmm, hmm,
they
hmm.
student is, they have fear about their exam, whether they will pass or not, and because of that,
Right.
okay, they apply some shortcuts, and they
Hmm.
just think that, okay, this is the question. According for this question, how I have to answer. They do their learning in that point of view. Okay, and that is killing their innovation and creativity power. Okay. So ask why more than what. We were talking about the creativity and innovative, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Uh, so if we could give the students real life
Hmm.
problem, ask
Hmm.
them that, okay, in real environment, if you have or stuck up with such type of problem, okay,
Hmm.
what you will do. So
Okay.
definitely he will think something, and he will try to build a plan. Okay, so
Right.
that definitely is going to create a good impact.
Hmm. True, sir. True, true, true.
Right. Now
Amazing. Yeah.
the last thing, that is the
Hmm.
role of education in society.
Huh. Okay.
So the general tendency that is in front of all the student is education is for placement.
Yeah.
and that
Actually,
is
parents
not good.
and their society thought process is
Yeah.
same. Like they
Ah,
judge each other based on the placement and package, and that's mindset is
yeah, that is
everywhere.
what is in our mind. So
Right.
education is not only for placement,
Yeah.
education is for responsibility.
Hmm. True,
A
sir.
good engineer earns salary.
Hmm.
A great engineer solves problems of society.
Right, sir.
So we
Correct.
need to have students who can improve agriculture domain using the technology.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
Indian, this is a very big challenge.
So big, big. Yeah.
Build systems for public services,
Hmm.
reduce digital divide.
Yeah.
Then what we can say that we need to design affordable solutions.
Affordable solutions. Yeah. So
Yeah,
true.
affordable solutions also
It's
is one thing,
yeah.
right?
Hmm.
So if education produces only employees,
Hmm.
nation progresses slowly.
Yeah.
And if education produces thinkers,
Hmm.
nation is going to transform.
Transfer. True, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
my message to all the students will be: do not study only for next exams. Study for
Yeah.
the next 30 years of your life.
Wow. Wow, sir. This is
How?
something new I heard. Yeah. Good, sir. Great message.
So technology will change,
Yeah.
languages will change,
Hmm.
frameworks will also change, but our
True, sir.
ability to think clearly, that will
Hmm.
decide your success.
True.
So
True,
do
sir.
not compete with your classmates, compete with your
Hmm.
yesterday's version. And remember, marks may give you first job, skills will
Ah.
give you second job, character will
Hmm.
give you a lifetime respect.
Very well said, sir. Amazing.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
So.
I hope whatever
Hmm.
you had discussed with me, I have tried to give a proper
Yeah.
justice, and whatever
Yes,
you were
sir.
expecting from me, I have
Hmm.
answered.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
have tried
So
to answer according to this. This
yes.
is my perspective.
Uh-huh. No, no, sir.
Yeah.
Your perspective only I want to know. I don't care about others. I just want to know ki what Babar sir thinks and what is their thought process as a leader, as an academician, and as a professor from the huge industry. That's I want to know. And thank you so much for sir. You address everything in a one go itself. You were not given even a chance for me to ask a question. So that's how you are, right, sir? So
Yeah.
one question I have here, sir. You whatever the questions I have note, you have already answered a lot of things, but still I have here one question. It's where thought process is going wrong in the society, where I feel. So what's your thought on, sir, online learning versus offline learning? Now so many students are preferring ki we'll do the online classes, and after COVID situation, everything is mixed now. Academics and institutes are also adapting the like some online classes than offline classes. So what's your thought process with respect to online classes versus offline classes?
See, offline classes creates a very good impact. But as I
Hmm.
rightly have conveyed you, that is how
Hmm.
we are going to, how the students are using.
Right.
Okay. So online sessions also, if we have, they are also good. You have many
Hmm.
online resources, which generally today's
Hmm.
most of the students, right from the schooling. Okay. My
Hmm.
kid who is in 5 years and who is in
Hmm.
ninth standard, he is also
Hmm. Hmm.
using this online sessions like YouTube
Right.
sessions and all those things for learning
Hmm. Hmm.
purpose.
Hmm. Yeah.
So if it is used in a right way,
Hmm.
definitely it it is creating an impact.
Okay.
So the
Hmm.
student should understand for what
Yeah.
purpose and how to use that tool
Okay.
online.
Perfect.
Okay.
That
So it is also
intention should
matter.
be cleared. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it, sir. True. Amazing. So one more question I have, sir, here. So now, you might have seen there is how the student get influenced, or the new young minds like me, how they get influenced, how which points they attract. So very first thing is money. quick money. Like as you mentioned, everyone is coming for placement. Everyone want to, if not placement, everyone want to build some business quickly, and then they want to earn money, lot of money, and then do something. That's most of the people think. And they have another trend what we saw, and so many leaders also promote this thing ki like, yeah, this is a college dropout and they are building some business. Now the traditional education is not going to take you anywhere, just go and directly start building something. So what is your take on that, sir? Like, dropout versus doing a proper professional education.
See, the students,
Hmm.
it's quite obvious that the students get attracted to a high
Hmm.
package. They, when they come to an engineer, they always dream of that. Okay, I should
Yeah.
have. But
Right.
in from as an industry person or as an
Hmm.
alumni, if you
Hmm.
people take that initiative and if you
Hmm.
people come forward and
Hmm.
share your problems, the way you people see right now, most of our
Hmm.
students are getting a very big good packages. But that
Correct.
package has not come just by doing the curriculum of our. So during their college
Yeah.
years also they were involved in n number of activities. Okay,
True.
they were doing n number of things. They were learning many things on their own. They were participating in different competitions. Okay,
Right.
so that had
Right.
helped them to
Hmm.
explore themselves, to become
Hmm.
creative, to become innovative. Okay, and
Hmm.
because of that,
Hmm.
they were able to convey the industry what skill set,
Hmm.
what different skill set they have, and
True, sir.
because of that, they are earning a very good package.
Hmm. Right.
Okay. So if
Right.
they
Right.
share their experience, their
Hmm.
difficulties, okay, what hardship they have done, okay,
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
type
Hmm.
of
Hmm.
those case studies is definitely going to make the student
Hmm.
aware that, okay, just
Hmm.
dreaming is not going to serve the purpose.
So,
You need to
right.
do some hard work behind that. Then only
Hard work is compulsory.
you are going to get
Yeah.
the success.
True. 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 True.
That's the only thing what we can say.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Yeah.
Ultimately, that's what I got to know. Like, as you have seen, I have connecting with multiple experts. So recently, I had a opportunity to connect with Triple IT Hyderabad director as well. So
Mm.
everyone is saying same thing. Ultimately, build whatever the fancy technology will build, whatever it is, right? Ultimately, their main motto is how individual you are, how value addition skill into you,
You
how
are.
do you have that hard working capability, are you ethical in the nature, are you a social contributor or only thinking about yourself. These skills are the real skills they mention, not
Yeah.
about how good programmer you are, not about how strong quantitative ability you have. It's more about how good person you are. That's what I learned, and that's, I think, very important. If you have that hard working capability, keep working, keep
Yes.
working, keep up. One day you'll get where you want to go, right?
Yeah.
Amazing, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So
Pleasure.
one few last questions I'll take. I know you are getting little
Yeah.
late. So,
Yeah.
sir, now with respect to you are leading the principal role as well. So, sir, I also want to know how you handle the pressure from the management and the faculty at the same time, the students as well. How you take care of all those things?
See, if you are a good human being, and
Hmm,
if you
hmm,
respect each and
hmm,
every one involved in
hmm,
your
hmm, hmm,
system,
hmm,
right from the low level to your
hmm,
higher management,
hmm,
things becomes very, very simple.
hmm.
So
Okay,
administration is about how you maintain the relations with others, how you respect
okay.
each and every
Uh-huh,
one, and
uh-huh.
accordingly they work. You just need to convey them in whatever things we are expecting from them. If we convey them in a proper way, okay,
Hmm.
they will do beyond their capacity, and we get a good result.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Amazing.
And if we just keep on bossing
Uh-huh,
as a principal, if I just keep on ordering them, right?
uh-huh.
And as a leader, I also should set one example.
Hmm,
Then only
hmm,
others employees they will respect me.
hmm.
When I am a
True.
principal, but
Hmm.
I have worked in all the I have worked in all the roles. Like I was a
Right,
lecturer, and if I am a principal also, but still I am a teacher. And today also I
right.
am conducting sessions for the students.
Great, sir.
Mm.
Yeah.
So those things, if a leader does, definitely.
Huh.
If we lead from the front,
Hmm.
automatically all our employees they come along with us and they follow the same path which we are following.
Amazing, 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 sir. So,
Yes.
so we have to lead by example, set the
Exactly. Exactly. Set the
examples,
example.
and then yeah, respect.
Respect is the
Respect is
model.
very important for all the hierarchy, all the level doesn't matter, and that will give you the good relation between the each and everyone. I'll try to implement all these things, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and was one last question, sir. For what's your open advice for the not to the students, because you have already given the great advice for the students. Now the this advice for the parents, those who are always thinking, no, my child should get a good package or good college, or they are always forcing their children to study hard or only get the good marks into examination. So what's your advice for such parents, sir?
See, I am also a parent.
Yes.
So because of this
Hmm,
technology changes which are happening, okay,
hmm,
as a parent, we should also have a proper knowledge about the tools, the different tools that are available.
hmm, hmm,
Because see, we don't have any other option than
hmm,
allowing our child to use those tools.
hmm,
But what are they using the tools in a proper way or not? That
hmm.
monitoring, anyhow, we have to do it.
Okay,
Because
okay.
you also know that because of these online resources which are available, our
Hmm.
small childs, they get distracted somewhere.
So true,
So over
so
there,
true, so true. Hmm,
we don't have to make a compulsion on them, or we do not have to tell them, okay, don't use that. We should allow
hmm,
them, okay, use it. But this is
hmm,
the importance. We should give them some examples, different examples, because of this, what is going to happen. Like, for
hmm,
example, for my kids, I always tell them that, okay, you can use my
hmm,
mobile resource, but on my mobile, okay,
hmm,
you know, on TV
hmm,
and all those things, you always hear about, okay, the frauds
hmm,
that are online frauds that are happening. Okay.
hmm, hmm,
So
hmm,
if you visit some unwanted sites, okay,
hmm, hmm,
over
hmm,
there is
hmm,
a danger, right?
hmm.
Of
Right.
right. So those
Getting
things,
hacked.
those
Yeah.
awareness sessions we should have for especially for
Awareness.
child and for parents also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So about the
Uh.
online resources and all those things. So
Hmm.
definitely things, and the parents also have to think in that way, that okay, so
Yes.
anyhow the kids has to use this.
Hmm.
If he has to map with the current technology, he has to use the online resources, because just through
Correct, sir.
the curriculum or through the books, it is not going to help him to grow along.
Correct.
Mm.
Correct.
So that
Correct.
awareness
So true, sir.
definitely has to be given to the parents first, and
Yeah.
then to the students. That is what I feel.
True, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Amazing, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, awareness is very important. What
Yeah.
I got to understand, I think we have to educate little bit more on that parent side as well. Just you have to give little freedom, but control properly,
Yeah.
aware them properly. Then everything will be going to the right direction. Amazing, sir. Again, considering your time constraints, sir, thank you so much. We'll try
Yeah.
to
Thank you.
stop
Thank
here.
you, Akshay.
Maybe, yeah, we will try to do one more detailed session, sir. Whenever you have availability.
Yeah.
Availability.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Okay,
Thank you
Akshay.
so much, sir.
Thank you. It was
Yeah.
nice talking to you. Okay. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye, 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 bye.